Introduction. More people are looking for internet income opportunities. In addition to requiring minimal to no initial costs, these techniques provide flexible scheduling and remote working. A computer or mobile device, as well as a reliable internet connection, are frequently all you need to get started. Top 5 quick ways of making money online. Almost anything is accessible with an internet connection, regardless of location or device. If you're seeking for quick money-making opportunities, have a peek at our top suggestions. 1. Test websites and give feedback. Consider working as a website tester if you have a good eye for website design and development. It's an excellent approach to earn money rapidly and become fully immersed in the web development field. You need logical and analytical thinking ability, great communication skills, and familiarity with website functionality and design to assess websites. Your job chances and test reporting quality may both increase as a result of these traits. The prices for payments vary depending on the testing procedures and the platform's policies, and they are typically project-based. 2. Do voiceover work. A good approach to earn money quickly is through voiceover work. A long-term commitment is not necessary because the majority of voiceover positions are project-based. Businesses are constantly looking for fresh voiceover talent. Listed below are a few instances of how you might use your voice to earn money. 3. Complete online surveys. Even though it might seem impossible, you can supplement your income by taking internet surveys in your free time. To conduct surveys for broad market research and to analyze consumer behavior, several businesses pay consumers to take part. These polls assist businesses in making business decisions, such as which items to introduce or where to place adverts. 4. Try mystery shopping. Being a mystery shopper is a great way to earn additional money if you enjoy shopping. Mystery shoppers are employed by retailers and market research firms to conduct transactions at specified locations and provide feedback on the general customer experience. They keep an eye on client satisfaction, store cleanliness, and product quality without the company's staff being aware of it. Some mystery shopping jobs are available online. For instance, some positions require assessing the level of customer service at call centers or the purchasing experience at an online company. 5. Test games and apps. The value of the video game market reached $178.73 billion in 2021, a 14.4% rise from 2020. The greatest market share in the world for digital media is also held by video games. As a result, several chances for individuals to make money online through testing games and other apps have emerged.